Hey, what's up, Tech to Millions family? If you're tired of the 9 to 5 grind and looking for a way to generate serious cash online, then listen up. In this video, I'm about to reveal an AI tool that can help you generate over $10,000 per month. Yes, you heard that right. No complicated coding, no special skills required, just pure AI magic. So if you're ready to unlock the potential of artificial intelligence for real profits, stay tuned. All right, let's dive in. You've probably heard about AI changing the game in industries like healthcare, marketing, and even content creation. But did you know that you can leverage AI to start making thousands of dollars every month? And I'm not talking about years of training or expensive tools, just one simple AI tool that does the heavy lifting for you. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or just someone looking for a side hustle, this tool can completely transform your earning potential. So let's get into the details. The AI tools I'm talking about are ChatGPT for content creation, Midjourney for AI-generated images, Runway ML for AI-powered video editing, Jasper AI for marketing copywriting, and Pictory AI for AI-generated faceless YouTube videos. These tools are game changers because they help you automate and scale income-generating tasks like copywriting, graphic design, video editing, social media management, and even coding without needing prior expertise. Imagine being able to produce high-quality blog posts, ad copies, YouTube scripts, or even entire websites in just a few clicks. Businesses and entrepreneurs are already paying hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars for these services. And with these AI tools, you can offer these services effortlessly and get paid for it. Now let's talk numbers. How exactly can you turn these AI tools into a $10,000 per month income stream? Here's a simple game plan. First, freelancing on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allows you to use ChatGPT and Jasper AI to complete writing projects 5 times faster and take on multiple clients at once. High-demand AI-powered services include content writing, social media post creation, AI-generated video scripts, and even AI-enhanced logo design with Midjourney. There are thousands of businesses looking for high-quality content and designs every day. And with AI, you can deliver them at scale. Some freelancers report making $500 to $2,000 per client per month just by offering these AI-assisted services. Another great way to make money is by selling digital products. You can use ChatGPT and Midjourney to create and sell AI-generated eBooks, templates, and guides on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Imagine generating a well-researched ebook in just a few hours with ChatGPT, pairing it with stunning visuals from Midjourney, and selling it as a passive income product. You can price your ebooks between $10 and $50, and with just 200 sales per month, you've already hit the $10,000 mark. Affiliate marketing is another huge opportunity with AI. You can use ChatGPT and Jasper AI to write high-converting blog posts, emails, and ad copies, promoting affiliate products, earning commissions ranging from $50 to $500 per sale without even showing your face. By combining AI-generated content with SEO strategies, you can drive thousands of visitors to your affiliate offers, increasing your chances of making sales. If you're strategic about it, affiliate marketing alone could be your full-time income. If you love content creation, AI makes it easier than ever to start a YouTube channel without showing your face. You can automate YouTube content using ChatGPT for script writing, Pictory AI for video creation, and Runway ML for editing. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. AI-generated faceless YouTube channels are booming right now. And with the right niche, you can hit 100,000 subscribers and make $10,000 a month just from ad revenue. Another powerful method is starting an AI agency. Businesses need AI solutions, and you can be the one to provide them. Offer AI-powered automation services like chatbots, content generation, and marketing automation to small businesses, charging $1,000 plus per month per client. The demand for AI consulting is growing rapidly, and companies are willing to pay top dollar for automation solutions that save them time and money. Still skeptical? Let me show you some real-life success stories. John, a college student, made $12,000 in just 3 months using ChatGPT to create blog posts for clients. Sarah, a busy mom, launched a faceless YouTube channel using Pictory AI and now makes $8,000 a month from ad revenue and affiliate commissions. David, a graphic designer, scaled his business to $15,000 a month using Midjourney for AI-generated artwork and selling digital prints on Etsy. These aren't just lucky cases. These AI tools make it possible for anyone willing to take action. All right, so now you're probably thinking, how do I get started? It's simple. Click the link in the description to access ChatGPT, Jasper AI, Midjourney, Pictory AI, and Runway Mel. Follow my free step-by-step guide on setting up your first AI-powered service. Start offering AI-driven solutions and watch the money roll in. Seriously, AI is the future, and those who take action now will be the ones reaping the rewards. Don't wait until it's too late. Start today and take your income to the next level. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech-driven money-making tips, and drop a comment below. I'm ready to use AI. I reply to every comment, so let's get the conversation going. Catch you in the next video. Peace.